Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, it can be quite concerning. This problem usually occurs due to a failure in the display or a faulty connection inside the device. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making your Thermomix unusable. To repair this issue, you will need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some tweezers. Additionally, having a clean workspace is essential to handle the delicate components safely. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged before you begin any repair work. Start by gently prying open the casing using the plastic spudger. Be careful around the edges to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. Once open, you will need to locate the main display connector. This is typically found near the screen assembly and can sometimes be obscured by other components. Using your tweezers, carefully disconnect the display cable from the main board. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the cable, inspect it for any signs of damage. If it appears worn or broken, you will need to replace it with a new one. To do this, gently remove the old cable and replace it with a new one, ensuring it is securely connected. Once you've replaced the cable, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully align the casing back together, making sure that all clips snap into place. Before securing the screws, it's wise to plug in the device briefly to check if the screen lights up. If everything works as expected, proceed to screw the casing back together using the Phillips screwdriver. Ensure not to over-tighten the screws to avoid damaging the threads. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough check to ensure all functions are operating correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid exposing your Thermomix to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regularly check the connections and ensure the device is stored in a safe, dry place. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.